Han sido meses de mucho aprendizaje por parte de todos,
It has been many months of learning for all of us.
pero creemos que lo hemos culminado de forma buena para poder empezar la FCB Escola en Delhi.
And I think we have reached a stage which is good, a good level stage to launch the FCB school in Delhi.
No quisiera alargarme más, solo decirles gracias.
I would not like to take more time, just to say thank you.
Gracias por acogernos en este maravilloso país.
Thank you for accepting us in this great country.
Querría Gracias. Ahora querría dar paso a mi compañera Anu.
I would now like to pass to my partner Anu,
Que es una de las almas del proyecto.
who is one of the souls of the project.
Thank you, Jeremy. And as you can see, we shared a lot about dreams and how we made these dreams true. And so here we are, where we are talking about, the best of the dreams being here right in front of us with the launch of FCB Escola Delhi, which is the formal official school of FC Barcelona right here for our own children. And we dreamt this together and we brought it to this level. And I hope to really take it way, way ahead. I can promise Martian football will make a difference, and we will make a difference very soon. I would like to now call upon stage Mr. Tony, Coach Anthony Claveria, who's been assigned the official director, the technical director, to head the Escola in Delhi, and he will be permanently based out of Delhi.
Hello everybody. First of all, I want to give you a lot of thanks for being here. For me, it was a really nice pleasure starting FCB camps, FCB project here in India in last December. I'm really excited about this project. I think it's one of the best projects ever. And I'm sure that with effort, with Conscious Football guys, with our work, I promise that we're going to work a lot. This is going to be one of the best projects ever.